Yeah, nation people. What I say? Right about now in a nation people. No gimmicks not there in the game, you know. Right now, you know. Vybz cartel drop real is in. But here what I not say nothing. You see through the big explosive interview go on on Fox 5's news with Lisa Evan and Vybz cartel lawyer. I sure you say a bit tampering go on with the cell phone and them shit there. We know that type of thing that go overshadow anything still. But nation people, I need to forget back to that song there. Really. Because here we go on. Most of us use that as with New Year resolution. No joke shit not about it. It don't make sense to have 40 and 50 and 60 shoes and one go have 2 feet, my brother. One go can wear a pair at a time, my brother. Stop follow people, nation people, and make we get this money stacked up. You see what I say? No joke shit not dead about it. Look at Vybz say stack in the general and do it daily. Money have to make on him can't move lazy. We can't make one money and just quick forget we like that in a one go. All the while. You see what I say? No lollipop thing, no in it. But here we go on. At the world it's not a plan. Yeah man, watch what go on man, carefully man. You don't know a franchise, the chosen one, the 10-star general. You don't know what's going on. When I come for represent, hey, yo, a full effect thing, man. You don't know where it go? When I load up, aim up, crank up, drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing, man. Hey, you don't know a load explosion about here, you know. Watch me now, man. Are the people's champion. Oh, you mean? Hey, yo, a Gaza favorite. Most definitely. Watch this. Are the most electrifying man on YouTube entertainment business. Watch. Yeah, nation people. For some reason, men and people don't like certain time when they up here something. Them not like certain time, I show them explosive. Yeah. But here, every man do them thing different. I'm a represent for Gaza and the ghetto people. I'm have to show the people them all the fuck New York City stay. You hear that? No gimmicks, blood clotting no in my game, you know. You hear that? Certain time I represent the snow saying no lollipop thing about ya. Watch. You hear me say right about now, no nation people? You see that song there? Really? Yeah. Most of we have to go use that for a New Year resolution. The joke shit not about it. And make sure when you go over Vybz Cartel Vivo and support that song there to the fullest Gaza nation. And I don't have to tell you no much, but go over Spotify, go stream, because my sister on a playground that. Because everything Vybz Cartel drop all time, set all time mode, have to stream over there. You see what I say? That not say, somehow we for bypass it. Because you will hear the big news what they come like say, well, I'll make the song fly past. We can't make the song fly past like that. One of the baddest things you ever hear. Vybz Cartel no play when it come on to topic, my brother. When everybody are run down trap, badness, gunmanship, this, that, all kind of rascal shit. The same thing they can repeat over and over from each artist. Every artist come a trap. Yo, now listen to them topic the way the man drop. Really. Pay attention to yourself, nation people and the family. The holiday come up, we don't know, you know what I mean? We have to give thanks, you know what I say? For all the way in the atmosphere, for all money here now, people underneath lockdown and certain things, lock up and certain things underneath certain bandits because they know a certain type of seed about and all of them shit there. You see what I say? So we have to give thanks and praise, you know what I mean? Yeah, because a whole heap of people drop to in a nation, people. You see what I deal with the lollipop thing in it, you know? You see what I say? Yeah, man. So I have to give thanks and praise and make sure we stack up the thing that means we own homes and land. You see what I say, nation people? We own building homes and land. You hear that, nation people? At them way that we're supposed to arrest. We're not supposed to arrest no joke way, no gimmicks to you. We're not supposed to watch no boy with them lollipop thing with them. Make them go on with them fandangles, no nation people. Make them go on with them ties, no. Make them go on with them fancy ties. Want own homes and land. No lollipop thing not there in it. No joke shit. You see what I say? The world boss it say if I want tear up clocks you have, wear where you have. You know what I mean? Him now watch no face, him a wear where him have. Yeah, no joke shit not dead about it. You see what I say? I love how the song structured. You see what I say? I like everything about the song. I like the meaning of the song more than anything else. You see what I say, nation people? Yeah, real way I represent. No, we not represent no joke way. But we don't know, say. From you go hear no form of explosive about the world boss and coming home and all them shit there. Remember tell you something. The coming of the world boss, when the Privy Council give the man the green light and tell him to take him backside home to him family and him youth them, yo. Not even the coming of Selassie come to Jamaica I got bigger than that in a dance hall. The joke shit not dead about it. I don't know gimmicks business me I tell you, you know. The coming of the world boss change dance hall. I got change dance hall and it probably changed Jamaica too. No gimmicks business not dead about it. But we might have to tell the world boss done with artist thing and take over the country. Be the fucking prime minister. You see what I say? No joke shit not dead about it. Because them not behave good and them not behave properly. You see what I say? And them are overlook the ghetto people them at all times. You see what I say? And the world boss is for the people, with the people, and everybody know that. You see what I say? No joke shit not dead about it, Gaza Nation. You know what I mean? Yeah. So, you don't know how we represent, you know. When we say, you know, the coming of the world boss, you know, are the biggest thing that gonna happen in Jamaica. No joke shit not dead about it. And it's going to be one of the biggest things in Africa too. Because me I'll tell you something. When the world boss drop a road Gaza Nation, a holiday in Jamaica, holiday in the UK, holiday in Europe, holiday in Africa. No joke shit not dead about it. Me not represent no lollipop way. You see what I say? Yeah, we don't know from morning. So be a tampering go on and we chat man and people while like them want run them out and chat this. But one of you know Gaza Nation, remember say the phone expert guy will leave UK and come to Jamaica to test the phone. I doubt if this guy know nothing at all about dancehall Gaza Nation. Maybe if you ask him about Bob Marley and certain reggae artists, he'll probably tell you, yeah. But about dancehall, I doubt if this guy know nothing at all about dancehall. So this guy don't have no flavor in terms of for run about the world boss or whatsoever go on. Him just do him job Gaza Nation. I just him job him a do. You see what I say? So no lollipop thing can go on and no mix up thing can go on and no joke shit can go on. So right now Gaza Nation, make we go and sit down and wait. You see what I say? Till early next year. Because as I say in a previous video before, them are going to feel like the biggest bumbo hole when world boss bust it off and laugh. Now gimmicks business not dead about it nation. A real way I represent. I will see Vegas come out yesterday on Instagram and claim say him want hold up and look at debate with a youth. Where him claim say right now, you know, him say the reason why him couldn't challenge Killer. Them time them claim say him be a stage show and him a sing song against Killer. Man come up on the stage and a page him. You know hear that? Him say man there at the stage I tell him I call him all kind of name and him have to switch him style and go back in and girl lyrics. Then him start bring up Lexus name and all of them shit there. Mr. Vegas, what you tell the youth in a living gimmicks thing, you know. Remember Lieutenant Stitchy and Papa San was friend, you know. Good friend, you know, and the two of them are part together, you know. Remember Sting, you know. Papa San, you know, drop backyard pan Stitchy and lyrics, you know, and kill him over there and Stitchy ball, he live in high water, you know. Because him claim say man, the man a friend and him never look out for that. So don't come tell me no gimmicks thing. Dancehall thing a competition thing, my brother. Yeah, I remember say You bust out hot. You see what I say? You bust out hot. And a killer them are the general in a dance hall. Them now go take that shit. Dance hall is about hype. You see what I say? Yeah, no joking shit no dead about it. And the man them now go just make you just come run dance hall past them like that. No. The man challenge your blood clot integrity lyrically. And you couldn't defend that. But no, you want to run up on social media and chat a bag of fuckery. Mr. Vegas, here we go on. I want to tag the boy there too. Here we go on. I open up for a reason with you anytime. So anytime you go up on your Instagram and you claim say you want talk to any bounty killer defender. I want to call myself a defender of bounty killer. But I open up for the challenge anytime, my brother. So anytime you go up on your Instagram and you want somebody to talk to you on the behalf of a bounty killer. You hear me I say? You make sure you link up 10 star. You see what I say? I will answer you. No gimmicks pieces are dead about it. You know what I mean? Because I have a lot of questions to answer you, to ask you. No joke shit not dead about it. You can ask me whatever you feel like. Because I have the answer for them. I don't know, a lollipop thing. Or the general, the 10 star one I represent nation people. I don't know a Gaza way there ain't no other way. Watch it a 10 star. General. Watch. Oh.